Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF2B, serial number 46219. Machine was new in 2005, and we're going to run it for you. Machine does have a Haas control. It is wired for 4th axis and does have the drive.
500 in the low range.
Right now we're running 500 in the low range. It has a 2-speed gearbox up to 7,500 RPM. That's the high range. What's that speed?
That's
1500 RPM in the high range. 3,500. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle with a 20 ATC umbrella style. 5,000 RPM. It also does have a programmable coolant nozzle, rigid tapping. Right now we're simulating a tool change. There's 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, 20 of Z. Table size is 14 by 36. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. Okay, well, hey, I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.